channel. So today's video is going to be showing you guys my tattoos and my piercings. So what they mean, if they hurted, and things like that. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. So first I'm just starting with my ears because the easiest one. I have 2 ear piercings, 2 on each side. So I don't remember if these hurt just because I got these when I was less than a year old, both. I think I got both of them in the same day, so I don't really remember if those hurt. So yeah, I have those. Next is my nose piercing right here. And I honestly will tell you guys, this hurt like hell. This was my 4th time getting my nose pierced just because I have really bad luck with nose piercings for some reason. And it hurt every time, probably the worst when I got it this time, which was about 2 years ago. I pretty much cried, but it did hurt, so don't let anybody tell you that it doesn't hurt. Out of 10, I'll probably get this an 8 out of 10. Me personally, I just think it really hurt like hell. So the next piercings I have, I'm clearly not going to show you because I'll probably get banned from YouTube, but I do have my nipples pierced. I got these back actually on Valentine's Day of 2020 to be exact. And so I've had them for like 4 going on 5 months now. Pain wise, I personally didn't think they really hurt that bad. Maybe out of 10, maybe like a 3.5, 4. Me personally, I just don't think they hurt that much. A lot of people do say they hurt. I just don't think they did. But in terms of healing, they're probably the most difficult piercing I've had with healing just because they take the longest to heal. They take 9 months to a year to fully heal. So you will have problems with like them crusting up, bleeding, all of that. So if you want to deal with that, hey, I think it's worth it, but some people don't. And then my last piercing is my belly. So I got my belly pierced. I've had my belly pierced multiple times also. This is another piercing that I tend to have bad luck with. So yeah, I've had this pierced multiple times, but the belly also does hurt. I think it's pretty painful. I would say there was like a 7 or 8 also along with the nose. I would say these 2 were the most painful for me. But yeah, and in terms of healing, it healed pretty well, I would say. But just the pain initially when you get pierced is not that fun. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go into my tattoos. So my first tattoo is going to be this one just because this is the first one that I've got. So I got this tattoo when I was 17, and it's an Arabic tattoo. This is on the top part of my shoulder, and it says Black Queen. So yeah, I have that. It still looks pretty good, I would say. It looks really clean and nicely done. So yeah. Next, I have this tattoo, and I actually got this on my 18th birthday. And this is my birthday in Roman numerals. So that's all that is. And I actually messed it up right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is messed up. So yeah, I messed it up right there. But yeah, this is just my birthday in Roman numerals. Then going into the next tattoo I have this cross on my, I guess you would call it like my rib/hip area. So I have that, and it's just an Egyptian cross, and I actually got this in red. I would say this is like one of my most painful tattoos just because of the area. It's a very tender area, and literally my ribs are down here still. So it's like getting your ribs tattooed. Didn't really feel that great, but it's cute. I like it. Nice little pop, I guess you would call it. But yeah. So the next tattoo I have is this tattoo on the back of my leg. It says Eternal Love, and it is also in Arabic, and it is also in red. So yeah, I would say this also was pretty painful. Maybe just about as painful as the rib tattoo, just about the same. But yeah, so it says Eternal Love, and that is also in Arabic and in red. Next, I have my ankle tattoo. So it's right here, and it is 2 different Chinese symbols. The top one says ambition, and the bottom one says beauty. And this is in red also. I have a thing for red tattoos. But yeah, this I would say I was expecting it to be really painful, but it wasn't as painful as I thought. It did hurt, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. I'll probably give it like a 4 out of 10 in terms of pain. But yeah, I have that. And then last but certainly not least, this is the tattoo that I just got. So I got it Saturday and today's Tuesday. So yeah, I literally just got it. So yeah, this is the tattoo. My most recent addition to all of my tattoos. I don't know if you guys can make out what it is. It is two faces intertwined into each other. So maybe if I hold it like this is better. Yeah. So what it is two faces intertwined into each other. And to me, what it symbolizes is just two souls intertwined together. So yeah, I really like this. I think the lines are really clean. It looks really good. I think it'll look even better when it finally heals, because it hasn't even started peeling yet. That's how new it is. But yeah, I really like this tattoo. I think it's really pretty. I think it looks really good on my leg, and it's gonna go with the theme of my leg. I plan on doing a leg sleeve, so this is gonna be the theme of my leg is going to be life. So this is eternal love, like I said right here, and then this is two souls intertwined together. So you get my drift, kind of like life or whatever. So yeah, I would say this is probably the most painful tattoo I got, and that's probably because it's the biggest one I have so far. So I would definitely say it was the most painful, but I would definitely say it was 100% worth it because it's beautiful. So that concludes my piercings and tattoos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which was your favorite tattoo and piercing in the comments box below. Also remember to follow me on my social media. Those will be linked down below in the description box, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.